Well, hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Look who I have with me. I have my hubby with me. And this video, we did a weekend project. Something that we have been putting off for a bit, right?
Yes.
Actually, I had something else planned to do. And he was like, well, it's going to be raining here. We're going to be in the house. Let's do a little project around the house. So if you are interested in seeing what we were up to this past weekend, just keep on watching. So off to Lowe's we go to pick up all of the supplies that we need to do our project. And the project that we are doing is an accent wall in my upper landing of my stairs. So we were looking around at wood in Lowe's, and boy, the prices of wood is up. So we did not go with wood. We actually ended up going with MDF board, which is much better to me and much cheaper. And if you don't know, Lowe's will cut wood for you. And we had one piece of wood cut, and hubby will handle the rest using this miter saw. He has another toy that he picked up from Harbor Freight. But all of our other supply, like caulk and everything that we needed, came from Lowe's. So guys, we're going to start off with painting this wall. Usually I will purchase paint from Lowe's or Home Depot, but we went in Walmart looking for something else, not even pertaining to paint, and came across this paint on the clearance aisle by Glidden for $16.82 in black. I'm going to paint, hubby and I, we're going to paint this wall black. This paint is high endurance, and it is interior paint and primer mixed. So that paint did not work that we found clearance. So we ended up going to Lowe's to get more paint. Would have been a good deal if it was good paint. So we ended up going with this tricorn black. It's by HGTV Home Showcase. This is how that paint looked, old paint looked. It was watery, oily, did not cover good, even shaken and stirred, it did not cover. So we're gonna get started painting. And it's a small wall, so we should knock it out in no time. Now that's what you're supposed to see, thickness. Thickness, not thin at all.
Nope.
But you're painting wrong, you're going V's.
Alright.
Yeah.
You're professional.
Now when I paint, I love purchasing these edgers. It makes the job quicker to doing all of your trim work around your baseboards. If you're just doing one wall, you can trim it out with these paint edgers as well as your ceiling. I love using this tool, and you can pick this up anywhere from Lowe's to Home Depot to Walmart, any of your paint supply stores. All right, guys, we have painted it. We're probably gonna put another coat of black paint on this wall. But yeah, because you can see we need it down there. I can see it. But it looks great, 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 great so far. Now, even though it is black, this light fixture here, the daylight, makes it bright. Now it doesn't look bad with the trim staying white. We're standing back looking at it, and I actually took pictures of it and shared it with my dad, and he was like, wow, it looks good black and white. But I'm like, no, no, no. We're gonna paint the entire wall, the wall and the trim black. Right here you see us adding caulk to the wall. We're doing it to seal all of it to the wall, making sure it is smooth and ready to paint. And right here we are sanding down each intersection where each piece meet, so we will be good to go. So right now I'm bringing you up the stairs for the reveal. I'm going slow, guys, but here it is. The accent wall that hubby and I did over the weekend. We are absolutely loving it. Now here's a shot of it from our loft area. Loving the black, loving the black. And this is how it looks from my doorway, my front door. So tell us what you think about our accent wall. We are loving it. We are loving it. We love that once you come into our home, you look straight upstairs and this is what you see. Now the black is dramatic, something different for us, but you know, hey, we love it. Now stay tuned because this is not all right? This is not gonna be just it. We're planning some more things, or should I say, we have more things up our sleeves, right?
That's right.
So stay tuned. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay. If you like things like home renovations or DIYs, decorating, organizing, cleaning tips, and more, I would hope you would click that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that bell, hit it twice. That way you will be notified of everything that goes on here at A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and I have an Amazon store where you can shop your heart away 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, and more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so, so much, and we are truly blessed that you are a part of our amazing family. So thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon.